everyone, welcome to Doypack. This is Tina from Doypack. As one of the top suppliers of customized pack machinery in China, I'm so proud of the Doypack to provide so brilliant packing solutions for our customers. And today I'm going to introduce the Doypack machine behind me. This Doypack machine accompanied with the 4-line scale and a single bucket material conveyor and the 8 working station rotary Doypack machine. This kind of the rotary Doypack machine is suitable for all kinds of granules like the peanuts, rice, coffee beans, and so on. Okay, let's introduce the first one is the single bucket material conveyor. This is the single bucket material conveyor. It has the 50-liter capacity and easy to fill the material inside the hopper and transport to the top and discharge to the hopper of the 4-line scale. There is a sensor installed inside the hopper of the 4-line scale. Once there is no materials, and the single bucket material conveyor will keep going to filling the materials. Once there is enough material inside, and the bucket conveyor will stop filling. And this one, the speed around 6 or 7 times filling per minute. Okay, let me introduce the 4-line scale. And you can see this type of 4-line scale with a different color on the surface. Actually, it's sprayed with the Teflon on the surface to sticky, avoid the sticky products. And the 4-line scale has the 4-line weighing hopper, and it working independently. So the material conveyor will weigh capacity one by one and discharge to the hopper to the Doypack machine. This kind of rotary Doypack machine including 8 working stations. So let me introduce the working station one by one. The first working station is giving back. We use the horizontal giving back station. It's suitable for the pre-made bag with the zipper and the stand-up bag. So once the bag given to the next station is the printing and the zipper opener. So once the bag given into the next working station, over here is the printing, and here there are 4 units of suction cup to stick on the top to open the zipper, and over here is the insert to the bag to open the zipper. Here is the third working station punching opening. After open the zipper in this working station to open the bag, the top and the bottom, there are 2 units of suction cup and 4 units suction cup to open the bag completely to fill enough material inside the bag. If failed to open the bag, no filling. Here is the 4th working station, product filling. If the bag opened successfully, and it will give the signal to the multi-head wheel to discharge the material and filling into this hopper and fill the material inside the bag. And this 5th working station, pushing. Here is the 6th working station, dust removing. If you want to fill the powder inside the bag and avoid the powder stick on the edge of the bag, you have to use this one to removing the dust and avoid the sealing effect. And here is the 7th working station, sealing the bag. If the bag filling with the material and the bag goes through over here, and it will give the signal to the next working station to seal the bag. If the bag without material and the bag cannot pass through this device to give the signal to the next station to seal the bag. So no material, no bag, no sealing. Here is the last working station, forming and output. So what's the most important for the Doypack machine is the electrical components to support the Doypack machine to working stably. We use the Siemens, the touch screen. Each function can be controlled by the touch screen. We use the famous and reliable electrical components to support the Doypack machine working stable and smoothly. Now let's run the machine. Okay, thanks for watching. If you have any question or any inquiry about the Doypack machine solutions, please find us at below website. Thanks for watching. This is Tina. Bye.